Reusable Glass Drinking Straw with Travel-to-Go Protective Carrying Case Holder and Cleaning Brush by GNR Home. If you travel often, this might be one of the best choices for you to consider. GNR Home came up with a glass straw that's not only effective in fighting plastic pollution, but is also convenient and easy to carry around. The Reusable Glass Drinking Straw with Travel-to-Go Protective Carrying Case Holder and Cleaning Brush by GNR Home measures 8 inches in length with 9.5 millimeters in diameter, so it's very similar to those you'd get in a restaurant. It's best for thin liquids such as tea, juice, water, coffee, etc. The straw comes with a carrying case that's made of thick and durable plastic, allowing you to take it with you everywhere you go. Made of Pyrex, the straw is durable and able to withstand both hot and cold temperatures. It's quite easy to clean too. You can place it in a dishwasher or simply rinse and wash it with the cleaning brush it comes with.